Welcome back, Stoic seekers, to another enlightening journey into the wisdom of ancient philosophy. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, encountering toxic individuals is almost unavoidable, whether in our workplace, social circles, or even within our own families. Toxic behavior can quickly drain our energy and disrupt our peace of mind. But do not worry, for the Stoics have left us with a timeless treasure of strategies to help us navigate these turbulent waters with both grace and resilience. In this inspiring video, we dive into the deep teachings of Stoicism, a philosophical tradition that began in ancient Greece and Rome. Stoicism provides us not only with a way of life, but also with a practical toolkit for facing life's challenges with serenity and strength. By applying Stoic principles to our relationships, we can build a mindset that empowers us to face toxic individuals without sacrificing our well-being. Throughout this exploration, we uncover 11 Stoic strategies carefully crafted to guide us through the stormy seas of toxic people. From maintaining inner calm in the middle of external chaos to turning adversity into opportunities for growth, each principle shines like a beacon, leading us toward wisdom and resilience. So whether you are dealing with a manipulative coworker, a toxic friend, or a difficult family member, join us as we walk this path of self-discovery and empowerment through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Together, let's learn to face toxicity with courage, compassion, and unwavering Stoic strength. 1. Detecting false cordiality. As we move through life, the ability to recognize genuine warmth from false friendliness becomes invaluable. Stoicism gives us the tools to look deeper, reading body language, tone, and consistency in behavior. By trusting our intuition, we protect ourselves from manipulation while building authentic connections based on trust and respect. 2. Seeking support. Acknowledging vulnerability and seeking help from others is not weakness, it is true strength. Whether from friends, family, or professionals, support lightens our burdens. By embracing different perspectives, we discover resilience and overcome challenges with new strength. Let us cast aside the illusion of total self-reliance and embrace the wisdom of allies along our journey. 3. Avoiding unnecessary arguments. Navigating human interaction requires skill and discernment, especially when avoiding needless conflict. By focusing on common ground, knowing when to step away, and replacing harsh statements with thoughtful questions, we diffuse tensions and create space for understanding. With empathy and patience, we rise above short-term disagreements and build meaningful connections. 4. Emotional stability. In the stormy seas of interaction, emotional stability becomes our anchor. Mindfulness, like diving beneath turbulent waters, reveals serenity even in chaos. Recognizing that we are not controlled by emotions, but rather the sky through which they pass, we build resilience and a shield against toxicity. Stress management serves as our compass, guiding us back to calmness, no matter the storm. 5. Focusing on goals. On the path to fulfillment, keeping our focus on goals is essential. Emotional intelligence helps us rise above distractions and toxic influences. With self-awareness and empathy, we protect ourselves from negativity, keeping our eyes on aspirations and dreams regardless of adversity. 6. A solution-oriented mindset. In the face of obstacles, adopting a solution-driven perspective empowers us to rise above challenges. Creativity, adaptability, and teamwork help us handle storms with strength. Every challenge can become an opportunity for growth if approached with the right mindset. 7. Setting boundaries. Boundaries are like fences that protect a cherished garden. They are necessary to safeguard our well-being. Learning when to say no is an act of self-respect. Through honest communication, we strengthen relationships based on mutual respect and balance. 8. Controlling negative self-talk. The voice of self-doubt can hold us back, but through mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion, we can transform that critic into a supporter. By reframing thoughts, we build confidence and nurture growth. Each small act of self-kindness strengthens our inner power. 9. Forgiveness and memory. As we move through life, forgiveness and memory act as guiding lights. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, it means reshaping our relationship with the past. Like an artist sculpting beauty from stone, forgiveness helps us rise above pain. Memory, however, protects us from repeating mistakes, teaching resilience along the way. 10. Self-awareness. Socrates once said, "Know thyself." Self-awareness is our compass in life. By understanding our strengths and weaknesses, we gain clarity against toxicity. Stoicism encourages us to look within, peel away social masks, and discover our true essence. This shield helps us face negativity without absorbing it. 11. Energy intelligence. Just like devices need recharging, so do we. Stoic energy intelligence emphasizes mindful management of our inner resources. Through meditation, proper rest, and mindful habits, we renew our energy and spread positivity. By maintaining awareness of energy, we create harmony in our environment. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Stoic strategies for navigating toxic individuals. Stoicism, with its timeless wisdom, gives us practical ways to protect our peace of mind and grow stronger. Remember, Stoicism is not about ignoring emotions. It's about building resilience, wisdom, and virtue in the face of challenges. As Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." So reflect on these Stoic lessons, apply them in your life, and you'll find strength, resilience, and peace in the face of toxicity. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming. This is 100 Quotes.